In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound in Google Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome to visit any websites, but you can't hear sounds on various websites such as YouTube, Facebook, or even TikTok, or any other website, then let me show you how you can fix this problem once and for all. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on these ellipses, and then from here go to settings. Now from settings, choose this option called privacy and security, and under this head down to site settings. Now under site settings, scroll down to content section, and then below it you should be able to see additional content settings. Now if you click on this, we have more options, and one of them is sound. So go ahead and click on sound, and from here make sure that default behavior first site can play sound is turned on or selected. So if you found that it is set to don't allow site to play sound, go ahead and switch to the first option, and this will allow sites to play sounds. Now the next thing you need to do is to go down here, and then under customize behavior, you'll see we have site listed below. Follow a custom setting instead of default, and these are sites that are set not to allow to play sound, and for one reason or another you can see YouTube is among them, and that's why I don't have sound on all YouTube videos on my Chrome browser. Now to fix this, you need to go ahead and click on these ellipses and then click on remove, and this will remove YouTube from the sites that were not allowed to play sound. So that's how you can fix no sound on Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.